It is with deep respect and humility that I acknowledge the presence of Fiji Pine Group's Executive Chairman and members of the board of Fiji Pine Limited, the management and staff of both Fiji Pine and Tropic Wood, our landowners, our resource owners, contractors, leaseholders, government officials, and distinguished guests. I also extend my sincere appreciation and traditional greetings to the Turanga, the Tuiwatu, Matangali Lotio of the Avusa, Watukaloko, the traditional landowners of this Vanua, and the people of Ra, for graciously welcoming us today. Misayando Binaka. Binawale unayaluni Widingomi, Naliloloma, and a Bingara Videther and Nimebaru Anian and Maglelevinakanikua. Why and Alingaya and we came in a Kaivingu, came in a Wekangu, Yukorana Signikua, neither woman and Omnivin Delanivanova Uranga. On a Kere Alanga. Kena was mandanga babalangi bali eni ikobe ikomal weekend so erwar kila ikona was wavi ina singwina nikua. It is both an honor and a great personal joy for me to join you here today for the official opening of the Ra office of the Fiji Pine Limited. This is not just another assignment or official engagement for me. It is a homecoming. As someone who hails from this province, I carry with me a deep respect for our people, our land, and our Vanua. I know firsthand the resilience, the strength, and the dignity of the people of Ra. It fills me with pride to see this level of development being brought right to our doorstep. This new station is a symbol of progress and purpose. It marks a strategic step by Fiji Pine Limited to bring services closer to the communities that matter most. Today's opening is not just about infrastructure, it's about strengthening connection, enhancing access, and uplifting the economic potential of our rural areas. Through this new station, we witnessed the rollout of meaningful activities such as the decentralization of landowner services, bringing vital support and information directly to landowners. The distribution of pine seedlings from this station, supporting reforestation, environmental sustainability, and our shared vision of a greener Fiji. A dedicated operational base empowering contractors, leaseholders, and supporting rural employment across the Ra region. The construction of 2 staff quarters, ensuring staff have safe and accessible accommodation to carry out their duties effectively. And the commissioning of a new borehole provided in response to a request from a land-owning unit of this lease, enabling access to clean and reliable water for the surrounding community. This reflects a deep respect for the fundamental right of every person to have access to safe drinking water. These are real practical developments that align perfectly with our government's commitment to inclusive and regionally balanced growth. Awabini binakawali be kemdo kete na ukiningele na nando ondela wa uranga na nomunindo okona ikona be wa orvake akini business ngo ni paini okemuni warawalanga ni okeningele kemni sa iki ikoni vengaravi ni kana be wa orvake akina e paini ngoi lumendala nipo Wan ani ni dokter wasa lemja dia main ni nung ni ba ko. May balik na bika ni sa awi. Ni anya alingan ni na nakakabimbi da sa mira ka na singli ko ah. Elan dia may balik na belomani. Nang pula sa Bikim do na lilo ni maanggali. Bikim do na lilo ni maanggali. It is with great respect and humility that I declare this new Fiji Pine Office INRA, along with its staff quarters and community borehole, officially open and ready to serve. And thank you very much.